Hey, what's up guys? Ngayon, kakainin natin tong kutsinta from Camille Cooks. Hindi ka nang nahulog. Ito po ang kutsinta. Boom. Fresh ngungot from the tree. It's so good. Ito na ba? You know what's ngungot? Ngungot is coconut. Ito pa, one more. One more. Look at that. Ooh. Guys. Sponsored. Ito yung mga paninda niya, oh. Comment, nasa comment yung link.